Hello everyone, this is Martina. Welcome to Bongdas. Today in this video I am going to show you how to cook Chicken Dak Bungalow. This is very easy and delicious recipe. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For preparation, here I am using 1 tomato, 2 onions, 1 garlic and 1 inch of ginger. This recipe has an interesting story. Dak Bunglow curry is a dish that is famous since colonial time. Dak bungalows were the rest houses where the British colonial officers used to take rest while on their journey. These rest houses were very well equipped with bedroom, kitchen, etc. A khansama used to handle the kitchen. Dak Bunglow meat curries can be made with chicken, goat, meat, beef or lamb. I used chicken here. This type of curry comes with a whole boiled egg and a potato in it. Try to use freshly ground spices because no store-bought spices or powder can bring that taste. Now it is time to prepare our chicken. Here I am taking 4 pieces of chicken, 2 leg pieces and 2 thigh pieces. We have to slit the chicken at an angle of 45 degrees. For dried spices, I am using turmeric powder, red chilli powder, black pepper powder, salt, sugar, cumin powder, and garam masala powder. We also need 2 tablespoons hung curd. I am also taking olive oil. Instead of olive oil, you can use mustard oil and lemon juice. Now let's marinate the chicken with yogurt, all the dried spices, adding olive oil, we'll add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Marinate this chicken with all the spices and keep it aside for 1 to 2 hours. For seasoning, I am using 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves, 2 cloves, and 2 red dried chillies. Without potato and without eggs, Chicken Dak Bunglow is incomplete. So these are the key ingredients for making a good Dak Bunglow recipe. So here is a quick look of all ingredients for making Chicken Dak Bunglow. Marinate the potatoes and eggs with turmeric powder, red chili powder and little bit of salt. Fry the potatoes until it becomes golden brown. Flip the eggs slightly before frying and also fry the boiled eggs for 1 minute. I am using pinch of sugar to caramelize. It will bring nice texture to your gravy. Now in that hot oil I am going to add all the garam masalas like 2 bay leaves, 2 cardamom, 2 red chillies and 2 cloves. Fry it for a while until aroma comes out. So now it is the time to add all freshly chopped ingredients like chopped onion, chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Now fry everything until it softens. Do not waste anything, add all leftover masalas or spices. Now it is time to add all the marinated chicken in this preparation. At this stage, water starts coming out from the chicken pieces. Cook the chicken pieces in the low flame and put the lid on the top of the vessel. it is the time to add freshly chopped tomatoes in it. Now it is the time to add potatoes and eggs in the curry. The gravy has thickened and your chicken duck bungalow is almost ready. So my chicken duck bungalow is ready to eat, and I garnished it with grated eggs and coriander leaves. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Serve the chicken duck bungalow with fried rice or lachha paratha. If you like this recipe, please press the like button and do share your comment in my comment box. If you are new to my channel, please press the notification bell and subscribe my channel too. Till then, bye.